we'll just get into common elemental effects real quickly. I say common because some of them, like Curse and like Sanctified, are pretty uncommon, and you don't really have to worry too much about them. So they're not going to affect your play too much, although they can. But the ones you really probably want to worry about are Burning. Um, Burning is, if you click on that cell, you will take 1 unit of damage. The thing to know about burning is that if a stage contains burning cells, they will have a yellow glow to them. You can guarantee that any burning cell cannot contain a monster. So if a stage has unrevealed burning cells, it's free information, which is very useful. Otherwise, the only way to solve around the burning cell is through cording, which again we'll get onto later on. Um, if you cord around the burning cell, even if the cord includes the burning cell, you won't take damage. It's only if you click on a burning cell directly. Frozen is terrible. It's absolutely terrible. A frozen cell, you can't interact with it. You can't flag it. You can't click it, which means that you cannot tell if it's a safe cell or a monster, and you can tell based on the cells around it, but you can't interact with it. Frozen cells do not keep you from solving a level. If you have any left on the board at the end of the level, then it will solve the level, even if you haven't revealed them. You just can't flag them, and you can't click them, so you can't see how many what the value of that cell would have been if it was safe. So Frozen just subtracts knowledge really, and keeps you from interacting with the world. It gets a little bit rough. Electric. Electric takes a little bit of understanding at first, but it's not too bad. Just know that electric means this cell's effect is doubled. So if you have loot on an electric cell, you will gain twice as much. 1 coin becomes 2, 1 diamond becomes 2. If you get a purple diamond on an electric cell, then you're absolutely blessed because you're going to gain like 60, 70 gold. If a chest appears on an electric cell, you'll get 2 chests. So that is useful generally. If a monster is revealed on an electric cell, they will attack you twice. And the other one is Toxic. Toxic applies to revealed cells. If you click on a toxic cell, you can cord around them like Burning. Then you will gain 1 like Poisoned Omen, which I think takes away 1 health every 60 turns. They do stack, so if you just keep clicking on different toxic cells, you will take an awful lot of damage in about 60 turns time, and unless you remove the poison, then it's just going to keep happening. So be careful with toxic, but it shouldn't be too bad.